did nothing wrong. You did what I never could. You defended yourself.
I didn't want to hurt him. I didn't.
Don't you understand? It was self-defense.
No!
Yes, it was
No,
self-defense.
he loves me!
He almost killed you.
He loves me!
He almost killed you.
Shut up! Leave me alone! Stop saying that!
Take off your clothes.
Oh my God, what?
Take off your clothes. Put this on. Now. I named him Mario, not Sammy. Never give him that asshole's name. Dame eso.
I know. I was there.
Apúrate.
Why are you doing this, Betty? Why are you taking the blame for this?
For years, I've taken the blame. Now I'm finally taking the credit.